All right, y'all. Finish this thing up. I hadn't done it on the car in a long time. Flip it around. I just put my mats in. And they actually fit absolutely perfect. I looked at a bunch of mats, but this one works good. It's from Avery mats. And I got dash pads done. I put a pad on it. Anyway, it's a brand new dash, but I had them covered with leather and put a French seam on it, so that turned out good. And I've got the wood trim done around the edges and wood trim here on the door panels. Both door panels is done, and all the wood trim in the car is done, so all that should be good. And going Monday to get the exhaust done. People asked me about the front bumper on the last time I posted on the car. It's an Ower front bumper, and I bought the whole kit. It's supposed to be the new mold, is what it said. So new mold. I got 30 seconds left. Front bumper turned out good. I put a 6.2 in it. So once I get the exhaust on here Monday, should be able to scream it down the road one time and see if she holds together. But that's it. Let's see what she'll do.